So whenever I was first kind of looking at options for career or education paths, I had gone through the fairly traditional route of GCSEs, A-levels, got to a point where I was looking at a university degree course. I think it was interactive multimedia or something like that at the time. Took a year out, tried to figure out what was going on, and ended up doing some kind of freelance work. By the time I'd done maybe 2 years of that, people were applying coming out of the degree that I was meant to go on to. So I guess for me, it was a really natural transition into freelancing that became business, that became a business with people and a team and a structure. Quite often we find maybe someone's coming looking for a work placement, a work experience, or an internship, and we aren't necessarily big advocates of a very traditional university route, purely because this is an industry where you can self-learn. It's about your portfolio, it's about what you can demonstrate, not necessarily about paper certification.